Case file 002. Status unresolved. Subject: the rule. Nobody remembers learning. There is a rule that you have followed every single day of your life. Not because someone taught you, not because you chose to, but because somehow you already knew it. Before you were born, the rule already existed, not a law, not religion, not morality. Something older. Every person you've ever met has obeyed it. Every country, every language, every generation. And yet, nobody remembers learning it. Think about it. Nobody teaches you where to stand in an elevator. Nobody explains why your voice becomes quieter inside a hospital. Nobody hands you a manual telling you how close you're supposed to stand to a stranger. Yet, somehow, billions of people obey the same invisible boundaries. Psychologists call it social conditioning. Biologists call it evolution. Anthropologists call it culture. Every explanation tells us how. None of them explain when, because nobody remembers. The first lesson: imagine waking up tomorrow and one invisible rule no longer existed. Not every rule, just one. Nobody notices at first, until people begin behaving differently for reasons they can't explain. And then ask yourself, who created the first rule? Who was the first person to know it? Because every rule has a beginning. Every language has an origin. Every tradition starts somewhere. So why does nobody remember this one? Maybe these rules were never invented. Maybe they were remembered. Tonight, watch people, not what they say. Watch what they do without thinking. Count the invisible rules they obey. Then ask yourself one final question. If nobody remembers learning the rules, how do you know you've already learned them all?